Dinner prep. So we are now on the third store. Hi, this is Kuya Calvin. Grabe.
Preparation.
Grabe. Last stop. Sir, from here, Dollar Tree.
Mga drinks
Huh?
$500?
Panitan.
Hello. For the pork barbecue.
Yes!
This is it.
Guys! Saturday! Abangan Saturday, guys!
This one is chicken. Grabe na. Ang mother. The mother dragon. Yeah, so here we are doing crafts. Grabe. With architects is that fun. Organizer, coordinator, gender reveal coordinator.
Yes!
For the barbecue.
Hi, my name is Harley and I think it's a girl.
It's my camera. I think it's a baby boy.
It's gotta be a baby boy, yep.
Organizer.
Hi! Bombshell is here!
What is your prediction?
I guess it's blue because when I open my closet, I don't have pink, so I wear blue. This is only available blue.
So you think it's a?
It's a boy.
I'm naked balon.
Ay, palagka.
Dilipan ni for the vlog.
Ay,
Eh.
this is it. I want girl.
Hi, this is Edith. I think the baby is a girl.
Hi, it's Shobi. I think it's a baby girl. Can't wait. Let's see on people here. I think it's a girl.
Yeah, I think
A girl.
maybe it's a boy.
Hi, boy.
Hi, I'm Calvin and it's a girl.
Ay, it's a boy.
Okay. This is Miss Cecile. I think it's a baby girl because Jill is baby.
Yes, okay. Hi, I'm Michael.
I
I think it's a boy because I'm wearing blue.
Oh, and
Hi, kami Shasha. Welcome to the world.
I think it's a what? A baby girl.
you think it's a boy or girl?
Muslim, coming a girl.
Oh.
Hi, I'm good. I think it's a girl.
And Mike, I think it's a boy.
Hi, I'm Rose. It's a girl. I can see. She's blooming. She's beautiful. It's a girl.
Thank you. Ready, go.
Hey, this is Scott and Kate. We think it's a boy, as you can see. Hi, I'm Corey. I think it's a boy.
Unconditional